welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little get ready with me. I'm gonna be doing my makeup and also showing you guys how I do my messy bun. I get lots of questions on that, so stay tuned till the end. Today's look is gonna be a very glowy summer look, which I've been loving recently. I'm usually kind of a matte girl, but I've been liking a little glow. I thought I'd share my summer drink with you guys. This is a matcha lemonade. It has been my go-to. I love it. I call it like a midday matcha during the middle of the day because I need a little extra caffeine. Vanilla matcha from Chamberlain Coffee I really like, and then half Minute Maid lemonade. With that being said, let's get started. I go in with my Fenty skin tint. Every time I try to go in with a tinted moisturizer, it's always too much coverage for me, and this one is perfection, especially for that summertime glowy vibe. I do use this all year though, so I have so many different shades. Shade 13. Prefer blending with a beauty blender all over my face. Now my entire face, I prefer a glowy and natural look. However, when it comes to my under eyes, I need full coverage all the way. My Fenty Beauty Bright Fixed Eye Brightener in 06 Melon. I always put this on before concealer. It's kind of a color corrector. Guys, feel free to use this on its own. It's literally amazing. You guys will see how much coverage it gives me just from this product. That just brightened my face completely, but I like to go in with the NARS concealer in shade Ginger Medium 2 and put some right here and right here, and then any redness that I have on my face or blemishes. Just like that. Next, I'm going with the Huda Beauty powder in Banana Bread. This is my favorite loose powder, and I'm still using the powder puffs that went viral on TikTok like, I don't know, a year ago. It's still my favorite way to put on powder. I don't bake, I just like to press into my face, especially for a more light look. I find that that looks the most natural. And I just do it right here, here, and here, or anywhere you get oily. Do you guys peep the lemon cake in the background? Because I have been craving lemon cake or like a lemon loaf for like a month, and I have a lot of allergies, so when it comes to desserts, I kind of have to make them myself. I yesterday spent like 3 hours making this lemon cake because I had nothing else to do, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna bake it. Like, I'm gonna satisfy my cravings. It was pretty good. It looks really good. Like, I made it look really pretty, but yeah, little baking moment. My latest obsession has been the Say bronzer. I love this. I'm not usually a cream person, but this has converted me to my forehead. This brush is so nice. Immediate warmth. It looks like I was just tanning. But on my nose and also my jaw. For eyeshadow, all I do is take some of the bronzer and put it on my eyelids. Blush time, I really like using the NARS blush. This is a cream one. I go in after with the Patrick Ta blush. I'll show you guys. I use my fingertips to blend this out. We're using the Patrick Ta Do You Know Her blush. This is in a really pretty peach color to go with the NARS cream blush. How's your guys' summer going? I'm enjoying it so much. This is definitely my favorite season. I know some people like fall or winter. I do too, just for the vibes sometimes, but I love the warm weather. I'm gonna be doing a lot of traveling in September, so I'm excited to bring you guys along for that. Next, I'm going in with the Refi highlighter. I don't care what anyone says, this is the best highlighter, the most natural and dewy product. It looks like you're literally glowing from within, and it just blends into your skin so beautifully. So I add some right here. The glow is too good. What I also like to do is take a brush and put some on my inner corner. For brows, I don't do too much. I'm using the Got To Be Glued eyebrow gel. I would use this brush if I had less eyebrow hairs. I feel like because my eyebrows are so thick, it's better for me to go in with a spoolie to cover every single hair. I really like this stuff. It holds my eyebrows really well. That concludes the base. Now it is time to do eyes. And this is my little summer eye routine. Go in with my Tweezerman eyelash curler, which I think is really, really great. I've been seeing some people use this heated tool to curl their eyelashes, and I'm just so scared. But I'm really happy and proud with my eyelash growth. I've been using the Ordinary Lash Serum. which I really like. I'm on my second bottle. I think this helps my eyelashes so much. I've been posting on YouTube a lot. I've been doing shorts and that's been fun, but I want to get into more long form videos. So let me know what you guys want to see. I'm so happy I've gained such a new audience on here and I'm excited about that. Welcome everyone. Mascara, I've been using this since high school. This is the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise. After that, to keep them curled, I like to use the Benefit Roller Lash. I saw my friend Steph talking about this and how it keeps your lashes curled, and I have been using it ever since. I don't know if you guys can see my hair clip. It's so cute. I got them in a very big pack on Amazon. I think they're really cute for summer. But if you guys follow me on TikTok or if you just watch my shorts in general, you know I do a lot of hair videos, and I would say hair is one of my favorite things to do. So I'm currently designing a hair accessory line. Every time I look at them, I get so excited and I can't wait for you guys to see them and wear them. No words. Lastly, what I like to do is just add a little lash at the end. It kind of just lifts your eye. So I'm using the Velour lashes. I don't know what style this is, but they're a little bit thicker because I'm just putting it on the end. Or sometimes I use the more natural ones, like these. It's never smooth on the first try, guys. It's never smooth. I feel like I'm really in my era of enhancing my natural beauty. I feel like that's something, if we can all learn how to do that, will enhance all of our confidence. Obviously, do makeup however makes you feel confident, but for me, just really enhancing my natural features is what makes me feel the best. If you guys don't know, I have a podcast called Manifesting in Style. It's all about manifestation and building self-confidence. But yeah, I touched on that subject a lot, and it's been something that's been on my mind recently as well. That the topic of loving yourself and loving who you truly are is something that a lot of people neglect naturally just because of the world we live in. But it's something that is so important that we do not neglect and that we actually work on and improve. I'm gonna spray the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, the lip combo I've been using, usually I use the Makeup by Mario lip liner in Travis, but it's always sold out. So I had my friend Batul get one when she was at the mall, and she got this for me maybe 2 months ago, and I've seen her about 30 times since then, and she always forgets to give it to me, but it's my fault for not reminding her. So I've been using the NYX liner in shade Total Baller. This comes pretty close, honestly, but the Makeup by Mario one is a little bit more natural and pink, but brown, if that makes sense. But I really like this one. This is kind of dark, and to brighten it up, especially because it's summer, I like to put this in the center. This is the Sephora lipstick in shade 3. The House Labs lip oil. This is in, I don't know if that's the name, it's a pink one. And that is the final makeup look. Let's move on to hair. First step in almost every hairstyle that I do is spraying my hair with water. I honestly focus this on my ends for this look. Now what I'm gonna do is take my Dry Bar teasing comb, which I use to slick back my hair. It works so nicely if you have thick hair. I'm gonna pull out these front pieces right here, and then I'll pull out the rest in a second, but I'm going to smooth this out. Then what I do is I take my L'Oreal Lock-It Weather Control Hairspray. Really love this. It smells really nice as well. And I spray the Dry Bar brush. I'm laughing because this is just so, no one talks about how much work it is to do your hair. This style doesn't take that long. It is easy, but just holding my hair up right now, I am out of breath. But I just spray a rubber band. We're gonna pull through, twist, pull through again. You're gonna be left with this, which might scare you for a second, but we're gonna take the rest of the hair and wrap it. And then taking another rubber band. Before I tie it with the next rubber band, I'm gonna make sure that some of these pieces are out because that's how I like it. To finalize the bun, I like to take some bobby pins and make sure that, see how this part is lifted right here? I like when it's stuck to my head. So I'm gonna pin this right here, pull this part out. This is my signature right here. This is what gives it a little bit more of a messy vibe while still looking put together. Waiting for the curling iron to heat up. Curl these front pieces. This one right here, be careful, do not burn your neck. These pieces I like to curl as well. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me today. Let me know if you like these types of videos, and if you try out this look yourself, make sure you send it to me, tag me, everything. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.